The advanced music program is like a very intense, very focused program about very specific things that you've highlighted over your whole Icon program, but are now diving into deeply. And then on top of that, you have mixing, mastering, all that stuff. I feel like it was the stuff that filled in the gaps for me in my knowledge that I needed.
It is the full, in-depth dive into music production. Anything and everything you could want to do with it, they will show you the tools to do it. It's a matter of whether you are going to take the ball and run with it.
My album is called A Message to You that I wrote for the advanced program. A lot of the songs have to do with relationships with myself and dealing with my mental health and trying to overcome those demons that I face every day.
Most of your class assignments actually really matched up with what your album stuff was, which is super nice. So like sound design, songwriting, all of that stuff. If you took the time to make it tie into your album, then it totally did. I actually came to Icon wanting to do the advanced program to make an album. I've always wanted to have not just an EP of music, even though, you know, I love EPs, it's just having an entire album where you can have this whole listening experience.
First quarter of the advanced program, I had 2 albums basically finished, ready to go for my duo partner and I. But coming into my final quarter, my mentor was saying, I don't think that this is catchy enough. So with not even 3 months left in the program, in 21 days ended up writing 10 full tracks with lyrics and showed it to him, and his reaction went from, I don't know what you're really doing here, to, I need to show the world this. I'm proud of it. I'm definitely proud of how far the production, the mastering, and the whole songwriting element has come.
One of the courses that we took was sync licensing, so we had to make a song over a Sephora commercial, and I love makeup, so I thought that was really fun. And what was really cool about it is they gave us a brief and try to challenge you in a way that you have to figure out what these companies are looking for, and that's kind of like a real world experience when you're doing sync work.
You have to track WALL-E or Toy Story or some of those great movies.
The fact that they even showed us that, I was very impressed.
My favorite class is probably mastering theory. I learned so much more about mixing from mastering because you need to understand what to fix in a mix in order to properly get the best master.
After the program, you realize how to use your tools well so that it's clean. You know, you can do it fast. You know, I can do a master in an hour, if that, and just get it done, you know, and before it would take me a week to get a master that I liked.
I had the luck and the pleasure of winning the collab EP back in the normal program. And even though we won the mixes and the masters, oh my God, so bad. But where they put us now in the advanced program, I could easily go back in and clean that up in 2 days. At least at my standards.
My biggest takeaway is the work ethic and time management. You're always firing on all cylinders, and to have that type of work ethic going into your career now after Icon is so important, and I feel like it's something that is pretty necessary to go into such a big industry and such a challenging field.
There was something missing before. There was something missing that I was unsure of. And I think writing this album and being in this program definitely pushed me in the right direction.